Screen Studio versus ScreenFlow. Which one are you using to record your screen as well as use other features like video editing, audio editing? Today we're going to put them head to head. We want to know which one is the better software. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Screen Studio. So first of all, Screen Studio actually allows you to record your screen in 4K resolution, which is amazing. It's perfect for creating visually crisp videos for professional presentations or even online tutorials. Its optimized performance ensures minimal lag or any performance impact on your device, even during long recording sessions. With its pre-designed templates, Screen Studio eliminates the hassle of starting from scratch, saving you valuable time. This feature is ideal for anybody that is a beginner or anyone looking to create polished videos quickly without heavy customization. Screen Studio is also built for versatility, supporting Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, making it super accessible regardless of your operating system. The flexibility really ensures that you can use software on various devices without any compatibility concerns. The ability to refine your videos as you record is a standout feature for me in Screen Studio. The live previews help you make adjustments on the fly, reducing the need for extensive post-production work. You also get to create personalized shortcuts for various features, making the recording process faster and more of a user-friendly experience, and it can significantly boost your productivity, especially for repetitive tasks. The last thing that I want to address here is Screen Studio integrates with popular cloud storage services like Google Drive or even Dropbox, which makes it easier to save your projects, collaborate with team members, or even just share your files without adding any additional steps. Let's have a look at one or two of their drawbacks though. So although it offers basic live editing, it doesn't include the more advanced post-production tools available in more of the advanced software. This could be a bit of a drawback if you are a professional editor. Also, it supports only a limited range of file formats when exporting, so this could potentially cause challenges for anybody who needs specific output types for their specific projects. ScreenFlow. Right, let's jump straight in. So ScreenFlow is designed exclusively for Mac OS, ensuring seamless performance and integration with all of Apple's ecosystem. The software actually specializes in capturing smooth, high-resolution screen recordings, which is perfect for professional-looking tutorials. ScreenFlow includes an extensive library of stock images, video clips, and music to enhance your projects. You can also create attention-grabbing motion effects with ease, bringing more creativity to your video projects. You can export recordings as GIFs or GIFs for quick sharing across social media or even messaging platforms. It's perfect for anybody that's looking for shorter content. You can also record multiple apps and screens at once, which is great for software demos and multitask presentations. I love that feature. One or two of the drawbacks is, unfortunately, I do not own a Mac, so it's only available for Mac OS users, leaving me, a Windows user, unable to actually access all of its awesome features. One of the other things is accessing the stock media library requires an additional subscription fee, which of course will increase your overall expenses. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, both of the software that we just viewed is amazing. They are feature rich. Of course, there are one or two drawbacks that we have to address. We have to keep that in mind. But they are both amazing. The takeaway here really is to go ahead and use both of them and see which one works for you personally. If this was helpful, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.